So today we're playing with pigment sprinkles and our flowering foil paper, which is now only available through Celebration. So I'm spraying it with water, and I'm going to be using the gorgeous Grape sprinkle. This comes in a pack of 6, and this is so pretty. I'm just going to tap a little. This is like a really, really fine powder that comes out. Like so, and then to spread it around, I'm just gonna spray a little more water on there. And to pick up that extra water, I found the best way is to use a napkin. Just peel that off, flip it over. And voila, isn't that pretty?